Hi, my name is Dr. Stephanie Powers, and I teach economics, management, and analytics type courses at Red Deer Polytechnic. And we want to look at today the concentrations, minors, and options courses that you can take to make your programming in business at Red Deer Polytechnic unique. So when it comes to programming in business, we have stackable programs. So you can take a one-year certificate, and it's designed for those who are the entrepreneurs who need to know a little bit about the different functional areas of business because they want to start their own business or pursue some vision that you have. And so you're not really willing to stick around for a lot of coursework. So one-year certificate designed for our entrepreneurs. If you are currently working in a business and you want to move up into a management position at the local level, we have a business diploma. So if you happen to take the business certificate, the first year is the certificate. You take one more year on top of that and you have a business diploma. If you are looking to go into management at a more corporate level, pursue a designation in accounting or finance, go into marketing, or get your HR designation, then you want to stick around for the 4-year degree. They stack. You can have a one-year certificate, that's the first year, stick around for a second year and get a diploma, stick around for 2 more years after that, and get a business degree. Our business degree focuses on your emotional intelligence, so we're focusing on your WEQ, and we focus on technical know-how, so web design, coding, business intelligence, and analytics. We focus on creativity, problem solving, creative thinking. Okay? And we're getting you that technical expertise in various different disciplines of business. So you can see here some of the threads that move through the program. We talked about technology, that emotional intelligence component, creative thinking, and a growth mindset are thread throughout the courses in the program. In terms of the program itself, and I'm just going to move my face over so you can see here. Here is the layout for the 4-year program. The white courses that you see here are management core, so everyone who comes into our program will get a good foundation in management in all the functional areas of business. So you get to try all the different disciplines, accounting, finance, HR, before you decide what to specialize in. And then we make sure that you have a wide area of expertise in management, from information systems to operations, from strategy to analytics. When it comes to the program, you see here in blue, 6 spots. Those are our concentrations. So you can pick a concentration in accounting, financial services, or entrepreneurship and small business. And in the videos that will follow this one, we'll talk with our experts in accounting, financial services, and entrepreneurship and small business about why that specialization might be right for you. Well, what makes our program unique at Red Deer Polytechnic is not only do you pick a concentration, but you also can pick a minor in business and a minor in a non-business area. So it gets bundled together to make you uniquely qualified for that dream job. If you decide to concentrate in accounting, we have the courses needed for the CPA designation, the tax courses, auditing, the financial accounting courses, income statements and balance sheets, as well as the managerial accounting. So we'll get you everything you need to get that CPA designation. If you concentrate in financial services, you'll see the 6 courses here for financial services. The great thing about our financial services program is that many of these courses will get you your designation or certification in that area by taking the final for that course. So for example, you take our mutual funds course and then you are licensed to sell mutual funds. So you'll take courses in consumer credit and helping businesses with loans, so commercial credit, estate planning, retirement planning, and risk management. Perhaps you are looking to work in a small business. Maybe you want to go into marketing or human resources. Well, many of those jobs in central Alberta are in small and medium-sized enterprises, in which case you're expected not just to do things in marketing or human resources, but to know a bit of management and have some additional skill and expertise in various different parts of the organization. So our entrepreneurship and small business concentration provides you those skills. We have project and events management, professional selling. We have courses in leadership, small business financing. So how do you fund your operations and what are the legal challenges of having a small business or a family business? And because even small businesses today have suppliers that are international, we look at global trade as well. So in that concentration, you'll take courses that are specific to your area of expertise. All of our students will get courses in management. Those are the white ones that we see there. And then we have some unique courses. You see here in the purple, the Directed Experiential Learning 1 and 2. These courses give you some options. So when you take this course, you can do a 90-hour work practicum. So get course credit for doing work for a local business. Or maybe you're planning to go on and get an MBA or a master's degree. Maybe you have a project that's particularly interesting to you. You can partner with a faculty member on a research project. Maybe in the innovation and entrepreneurship class, you discovered an interest and you want to flesh out more a business idea. So you want to discover if it's viable, can it be turned into an actual viable business? That directed experiential learning can build on that entrepreneurship course to have you flesh out more, working with an instructor on that business plan. We also have, as part of the directed experiential learning, opportunities for service learning, so giving back to the community with projects and ideas there. You'll do one at the end of the second year, or if you're finishing the diploma, at the end of the diploma. And then we also have one in the fourth year. So opportunities to try working for different industries, different types of roles, analyzing yourself as a worker in terms of your leadership, your team building, your ability to apply the knowledge from your other courses. So we have those directed experiential learnings in purple. We have our core management in white. And then we have those 3 concentrations here in blue. Well, the program is all about making you unique. So we bundle all of that with business minors. So you can choose 4 courses in a different area of business to bundle with your concentration. So for example, let's say you want to go into selling financial services, then you get a concentration in financial services and a minor in marketing where we look at sales and promotion. Or maybe you want to go into some more sports management, so entrepreneurship and small business tied with marketing. So you get a concentration, you get a business minor. Those business minors fill in these 2 orange and 2 green that you see here. So you get 2 business options, 2 open options. You can choose from all the different business courses that we offer for those 2 business options, or you can choose from a list to get a business minor. So for example, if you were going to minor in marketing, we have courses in professional selling, social media marketing, and that also includes website design there, buyer and consumer behavior, or phygital management. So combining the physical management of a location and the digital management of an electronic business in terms of selling online. So you would pick 4 from the list to do for marketing if you wanted marketing to be your minor. If you wanted HR to be your minor, you would choose from courses like a total reward, so looking at pay and benefits, labor relations, negotiating with unions. You look at workforce planning, how are you going to recruit and retain people? Learning and development, how are we going to train our employees? So you would choose from that list 4 courses, and that would then be your minor. So if you're looking to get your designation in HR, you'd want to take these courses and the 4-year degree to meet those designation requirements. So here you can see with our layout that we could specialize in multiple areas. So we could have that background in small business and entrepreneurship, And we could then minor in human resources or marketing. There are others, right? Corporate finance, economics, financial services, accounting. So you can bundle them. Let's say you want to work in more payroll, you want to manage a particular type of venue, you want to do promotions. You can pick and choose. Maybe you want to work for municipal government. So entrepreneurship and small business combined with corporate finance and economics greatly prepares you for work in terms of working for cities and provincial governments, maybe in economic development and business development. In addition to the concentrations, the business minors, you also can choose to have a non-business minor. So here's just some of the non-business minors that are available. And the way that it works is that you have in the yellow the non-business courses. So some are required: English, communications. We have a course in design thinking called Creative Think Tank, because industry wants business people to be more creative in their thinking. And then you see here there's 5 courses called non-business options. You can take 4 out of those 5, and you could specialize in various different areas. Maybe you want more in terms of creativity. So maybe you ultimately want to manage artists. So visual arts as your minor combined with entrepreneurship and small business, and a business minor in marketing combine nicely to manage artistic venues and artists. Maybe you want to open a business that deals with childcare or is an event venue for children. You can combine then your entrepreneurship and small business, your marketing, and your early learning and childcare. So creating combinations that make you unique. They fit here in these 4 out of 5. You can, of course, choose to not have a non-business minor and instead choose a variety of different courses that interest you across Red Deer Polytechnic. Really what it comes down to is the ability to customize. Choose a concentration, choose a business minor, choose a non-business minor. Choose options courses. If you decide you don't want to have a minor, you can make those orange business options, whatever combination of business courses you want, or the green can be business and non-business. And you have 5 of those non-business options that you see in yellow, where you can pull from courses in all these different areas: psychology, sociology, science, media, math, you name it. So it's all about putting these together to create a unique combination that gets you that dream job. Whether it's sports management, whether it's selling financial products, whatever that dream is, we'll help you make it a reality. Come see us.